Hi friends, welcome to Buy Me Tips. In this class, we are going to see a few assertion and reasoning based questions on the chapter Life Processes. So, this type of question will be asked in your section B part of the new syllabus that has been given by CBSE. So, section A will have all the MCQs, section B will be having assertion and reasoning based questions along with some MCQs which have multiple answers. So let's get started. So these are the few options that will be given to you to solve assertion and reason based questions. So let us check out the options. The first option will be both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. If you feel that both the statements are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of assertion, then you can choose this. Now, the second option will be both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. And D, A is false, but R is true. So, the first question is assertion plants lack excretory organs. Now, the reason they have given here is that plants usually absorb essential nutrients. So both the assertion and reason is true, and reason is not the correct explanation. Plants do lack excretory organs, they do not have any specialized excretory organs. That is true. Plants usually absorb essential nutrients, that is also true, but there is no connection between reason and assertion. So that is why the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So option B is correct here. Let's check the next question. As- Assertion in anaerobic respiration, one of the end products is alcohol. Reason there is an incomplete breakdown of glucose. So, since in anaerobic respiration there is no oxygen supply, so the end product will be ethanol, right? We have studied this. And the reason they have given here is there is an incomplete breakdown of glucose, which means that assertion and reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now, since there is an incomplete breakdown, we say this as an incomplete breakdown because there is no oxygen released. Okay, so much of energy is not released. So that is the reason. Check with question number 3. Assertion in plants there is no need of specialized respiratory organs. Reason plants do not have great demands of gaseous exchange. So we all know that there is no need of specialized respiratory organs in plants and they do not need much energy, right? Because they are stationary and they do not have great demands of gaseous exchange. They do not have great demands of energy requirement. So that is the reason assertion and reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation. So answer is A. Assertion human heart is four chambered. Reason vena cava is the only artery that supplies deoxygenated blood to the heart. Now if you check here, assertion they have given that heart is four chambered, right? Which is true. Okay. Human heart is four chambered, which is true. But reason they have given here is vena cava is the only artery that supplies. So vena cava is the only artery that supplies deoxygenated blood to the heart. So we all know that vena cava is not an artery, it's a vein. So here assertion is true, but reason is false. So option C. Okay, the answer will be option C. Question number 5. Assertion molecular movements are needed for life. Okay, molecular movements are needed for life. Reason body structures made up of these molecules need continuous repair and maintenance. So we all know that there are a lot of molecular movements happening inside the body. We have studied in the introduction of life processes that there are movements is of two types. One is visible movement and the other one is invisible movement. So The invisible movements are the molecular movements which are needed for life, and these require for continuous repair and maintenance. So both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 6. Diffusion does not meet high energy requirements of multicellular organism. Diffusion is a fast process but occurs at the surface of the body. So if you check this question here, assertion, diffusion does not meet high energy requirements of multicellular organisms, which is true. With the help of only diffusion, the high energy requirements of multicellular organisms cannot be met. Now, the reason diffusion is a fast process but occurs at the surface of the body. Diffusion is a very slow process. It's not a fast process, it's a slow process. So, assertion is true and reason is false. So, option C again. Question number 7. Assertion, ureters are the tubes which carry urine from kidneys to the bladder. Reason, urine is stored in the urethra. So we all know that ureters are the two pipe-like structures, okay, which help to carry the urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder and towards the urethra. Reason, urine is stored in urethra. Urine is not stored in urethra. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder. So here option C will be the correct answer. Question number 8. Assertion, the movement of water and dissolved salts in xylem is always upwards. Reason, the upward movement of water is due to low pressure created by transpiration. So we know that the movement of water and dissolved salts take place in the upward direction. It is unidirectional in case of xylem, and the reason they have given is the upward movement of water is due to low pressure created by transpiration. So whenever there is the loss of water, transpiration is nothing but loss of water in the leaves, a suction is created, okay, near the roots. So a suction is created, an upward force which leads to the upward movement of water and minerals. So assertion and reason both are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 9. HCl sterilizes food by killing pathogens and other microbes. Now, the reason they have given here is that HCl present in the human stomach is highly acidic and has a pH of 2. Okay. So, assertion, hydrochloric acid sterilizes food by killing pathogens and other microbes is true. HCl, one of the function is to sterilize the food by killing pathogen. The other function is activation of the enzyme pepsin. So reason they have given here is hydrochloric acid present in human stomach is highly acidic and has pH 2, which is both true. Assertion and reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation. So the option A is right here. Question 10. Smoking causes oxygen deficiency in the body. Reason, carbon monoxide when inhaled while smoking combines with hemoglobin to chemically stable compound. So we know that smoking causes oxygen deficiency in the body, which is true. Now, when we smoke, carbon monoxide, which enters into the body, combines with this hemoglobin to form a compound known as carboxyhemoglobin. Okay, so just make a note. It is carboxyhemoglobin. Okay, carboxyhemoglobin is formed, which inhibits the transport of oxygen. Assertion, reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 11. Assertion, the deficiency of hemoglobin causes anemia. Reason, the hemoglobin deficient person will feel pale, weak, lethargic legs and will be unable to perform heavy physical work. So it's true that deficiency of hemoglobin causes anemia. So basically, deficiency of hemoglobin causes anemia. Anemia is due to the lack of iron content in the body. So we should have more food which is rich in iron, such as spinach, okay, pulses, beetroot, pomegranate. Okay. Reason, the hemoglobin deficient person will feel pale, weak, lethargic legs and will be unable to perform any physical work, which is true. So assertion and reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation. Assertion, alveoli are the primary sites for exchange of gases. Reason, all the factors in our body are favorable for diffusion of O2 from alveoli to tissues and that of carbon dioxide from tissues to alveoli. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. The air sacs walls allow the diffusion of gases, which is true. Air sacs are nothing but the alveoli. Okay. Reason, the air sacs walls are very thin and moist, allowing gases to quickly diffuse through them. So air sac walls are very thin and exchange of gases takes place in the air sac walls. So assertion and reason both are true, and reason is not, sorry, reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Again, HCl converts pepsinogen into active enzyme pepsine. Reason, pepsin converts protein into proteoses and peptones. So here HCl converts pepsinogen into active enzyme pepsin. So it's true that for the activation of this enzyme pepsin, we need HCl. So the inactivated state is pepsinogen. Okay. Reason, pepsin converts protein into proteoses and peptones. Both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Muscles of stomach wall possesses thick layers of muscle fibers. These muscles help in mixing the food with enzymes present in the alimentary canal. So the muscles of the stomach possesses thick layers of muscle fibers, which is true. Reason is also correct. Okay, they help in the mixing of the food with the enzymes. So reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Number 16. Human body produces highly toxic substances which, if not eliminated, may cause the death. Reason, excretory substance removes nitrogenous waste from the body, which is true. Both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here they are not talking anything about excretion. Here just they're simply saying that if it is not eliminated, it may cause death. So both are true, but it's not the correct explanation. Valves are present in the arteries. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to different body parts except the pulmonary artery. So we know that arteries do not have any valves. Okay, arteries do not have any valves. The one which is having valves is the veins to prevent the backflow of the blood. So here assertion is false. Reason is true, except the pulmonary artery. Arteries carry oxygen. Pulmonary artery is the only one which carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. So here the option is D. Assertion is false, reason is true. Assertion, in human heart there is no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Reason, valves are present in the heart which allow the movement of blood only in one direction. So assertion, here we see that no mixing of, which is true, there is no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Reason, valves are present in the heart which allows the movement of blood in one direction. This is also true, but this is not because of this. Okay, so assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So option is B. vascular walls of ventricle. Digestion breaks large complex molecules to simpler, smaller molecules which can be absorbed easily. Reason they have given here is that digestion is necessary for absorption of all molecules. So assertion is true, but reason is not true because certain molecules such as glucose and vitamin C they need not get digested for absorption. So here assertion is true, but reason is not true. So option C is the correct answer. So I hope you all thoroughly understood the assertion and reasoning based questions. And if you have any doubts, you can just post it in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed this session and keep watching this space for some more videos based on the term one topics. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.